Okay, topic number 8. Solution of systems of linear differential equation with initial value. Alam nyo na naman yung system of equations. Ito naman mga differential equation. Yung may x, y, z. Three equations di unknown na yun. So, solution of simultaneous linear differential equation with initial value. Simultaneous solution to differential equation by Laplace transform method. So, meron pa isang method nito, yung elimination, yung algebraic equation method. So, the Laplace operator can be used to transform a system of linear differential equations with constant coefficient into a system of algebraic equations. For example, solve the system of equations x double prime of t minus x of t plus 5y prime of t is equal to t, x and y. Y double prime of t minus 4y of t minus 2x prime of t is equal to negative 2. Equation 1 and 2. With the initial conditions of x of 0 is equal to 0 and x prime of 0 is equal to 0, y of 0 is equal to 0, and y prime of 0 is equal to 0. So let the Laplace of x of t as u of s, and let the Laplace of y of t as v of s. Then the application of Laplace operator transform the problem into the problem into that of solving a pair of simultaneous algebraic equation. Then application of the Laplace operator transforms the problem into that of solving a pair of simultaneous algebraic equation. So, ito, transform mo to, s squared minus 1 times u of s plus 5s ds equals 1 over s squared. So, paano to? Ginamit na itong mga initial conditions niya. Diba? Equation 2, dito, negative 2s of us plus s squared minus 4 plus b of s equal to negative 2. Dito, direkta na. Sa inyo, sa pag-solve nyo, ipapakita nyo paano napunta dito. Substitute nyo lahat yun. Sa solution ng equation. Ito kasi for lecture purposes nga. Para hindi na umaba. So solve equation 4 and 5 to obtain u of s is equal to 11s squared minus 11 over s squared times s squared plus 1 divided by s squared plus 4, which is 6. b of s is equal to negative 2s squared plus 4 over s squared plus 1 over s squared 4. Bago ka makapabot dito, medyo mapapadalanan mo. Seeking the inverse transform of u and v, we first expand the right members of 6 and 7 into partial fraction. Hindi mo pwede i-directo. So, yung method of partial fraction, u of s is equal to negative 1 over s squared plus 5 over s squared plus 1 minus 4 over s squared plus 4. And b of s is equal to 1 over s minus 2s over s squared plus 1 plus s over s squared plus 4. Since x of t is equal to the inverse transform of u of s, and y of t is equal to the inverse transform of b of s, so the result is x of t is equal to negative 5 plus 5 sine of t minus 2 sine of 2t. And y of t is equal to 1 minus 4 sine t plus 4 sine 2t. So which is easily verified by direct substitution into 1, 2, and 3. So this is now your answer. For checking, ito nga, substitute nyo dun sa equation 1 to 3. Medyo alawa pa yan. Para ma-verify yung tama. So the foregoing procedure is concept. Is simple in concept. Una. But of course, its practical use will depend on our ability to find the inverse transform of u of s and v of s. Okay? On the other hand, the use of transform theory can help us gain insight into the general theory of linear differential equation. Sinampulan muna tayo. Dito, in general, so solve the system dx over t equal to y of f of t and dy over dt is equal to x plus d of t. Here, we presume that the transform of the function x of t, y of t, f of t, g of t all exist and are given by u of s, v of s, f of s, and g of s respectively. Okay. Meron siyang karugtong dito na function of t. GR function of t naman na magkaibang function. Nalaplas mo rin yun. So parang apat na variable. So we have s of us minus c1 equals b of s plus b f of s. S of bs minus c2 is equal to u of s plus v of s. So, where c1 and c2 represent the initial values x of t and y of t. 0. We can rewrite equation. Isa lang na constant kasi lang naman first derivative. So we write equation 14, 15 in the form s of us minus b us equal to c1 plus f of s and negative u of s plus bs equal to c2 plus g of s. Using Cramer's rule, the immediate determinants method, solution of algebraic system 16 and 17 may be written as u of s equal to the matrix C1 plus F1 S, negative 1, C2 plus G of S, S, divided by S squared minus 1, or iwalay mo to, so yun, C1, negative 1, C2 S, matrix, the matrix of F of S, negative 1, and F of GS is 1. Ito hiniwalay yung may plus. All of lahat yan, i-divide mo ng squared minus 1. Same as a B sub S, magiging yung matrix ng S, and C1 plus Fs, negative 1, C2 plus B sub S, squared minus 1 denominator. So separate mo sa ito lalabas. Then solve. A careful examination of equation 18 in 19 reverse several important properties of a pair of function x of t and y of t are seeking. So first, each of these functions can be considered as the sum of two functions. Nag-add siya. X of t is equal to x of c of t plus x of p of t. Complementary and some particular. Once of t is the same, complementary at some particular. The notation is intended to remind us of similar situation we meet when we were dealing with single linear differential equation with one variable. So we note that the pair of function x of c t and y sub c t is a solution of the system 12 and 13 in the case where f of t and g of t is equal to 0. Of course, f sub s and g sub s is equal to 0. So, wala yan. So wala siyang right side. Moreover, h of function x of ct and x of ct involve the constant c1 and c2 that are the initial values of x of t and y of t. On the other hand, the function x of pt and y of pt, although independent of the initial conditions, are intimately related to the function f of t and g of t. Particular solution. For example, solve the system of equations 12 and 13. If f of t is 1, g of t is 1. So simple lang to. Substitute mo doon sa provide ng Cramer's rule. U of s is equal to the matrix of C1, negative 1, C2 S over S squared plus 1 plus matrix of 1 over S minus 1 and 1 over S squared then S over S squared plus 1. And B sub S is equal to S, matrix of S and C1, negative 1, C2 all over S squared minus 1 plus the matrix of S, 1 over S, negative 1, 1 over S1 divided by S squared minus 1. Question 20 and 21. Now, the equations may be written as, so solve mo yun ng matrix. Solve mo, di ba? 9, 9. U of S equal to C1 plus C2 over 2 over S minus 1 plus C sub 1 minus C sub 2 over 2 over S plus 1 minus 1 over S squared plus 1 over S minus 1 minus 1 over S plus 1. And B sub S is equal to C sub 1 plus C sub 2 over 2 over S minus 1 minus C sub 1 minus C sub 2 over 2 over S plus 1 minus 2 over S plus 1 over S minus 1 plus 1 over S plus 1. So then the inversion of 22 and 23 yields x of t is equal to C sub 1 plus C sub 2 over 2 a exponent t plus C sub 1 minus C sub 2 over 2 a exponent negative t minus t plus a exponent t minus exponent negative t. And y of t is equal to C sub 1 plus C sub 2 over 2 times a exponent t minus C sub 1 minus C sub 2 over 2 times a exponent negative t minus 2 plus a exponent t plus a exponent negative t. This is now your answer. So we can now verify directly that the pair of function x sub c and y sub c, which involve the initial value c sub 1 and c sub 2, is a solution of dx over dy is equal to y, and dy over dx is equal to x. The system, itong may constant lang. Ito iwalay mo ito. The system results from placing f of t and g of t is equal to 0 in equation 1230. Also, we can verify that the remaining part of the solution, x of p, t, and y of pt is a particular solution of the system 12 and 13, with f of t and equals 1 and g of t is equal to t. Finally, it is easy to show that x of o is equal to c1 and y sub o is equal to. For the exercises, so yan, mag-practice kayo ngayon kasi basic na lang yan. Mga equation na yan sa application, medyo babalikan niya.
May wanted. Ay, si Ninong. Si Ninong Pogi.